Hi guys, Max from Metro Hobbies. Haven't got anything new to show you this week, but we thought we'd take a spotlight on some of the groups and type of things we do carry in here. So let's have a look at one. So today, something a bit different. I've only ever built one motorbike in all my modelling career, but I do know there's a lot of modelers who build motorbikes and really, really like them. So let's have a look at some of the kits that we have these days, and there's some really, really nice stuff from Tamiya. They're always constantly putting out either new bikes or reissues of old bikes or redos of some bikes and things like that. That's quite nice. That's a nice one. So these are all 12 scale? Yeah, 12 scale. So these are all 12 scale. So this is all the Tamiya range. But we've also got other brands that do them as well. So we've got... This is Italeri. This is 9th scale, so this is a bit bigger. So this is some of the older classic bikes, the Suzuki and things like that. What else have we got? We've got stuff from... This is from Hasegawa, so they also do a series of bikes, mostly Japanese type ones. These are quite nice. These are also 12 scale, so they're pretty cool. And they also do, so even there's a police bike. Aoshima does some bikes. So there's a police bike, Kawasaki police bike. That looks pretty cool. Can't quite read what the name is, but it's on there. So that's pretty cool. They also do some big scale bikes. So this is from Tamiya mostly. This is the Honda CB750F. These are 6th scale. So if you're looking for a really big model of a bike with lots and lots of detail, which they usually come with, and different colour schemes and setups, so there's plenty there to do that. And then we've also got this one. This is a big one. This is also 6th scale. This is the Honda CRF 1000L Africa Twin. So that's pretty cool. So lots of bikes and things like that. So the range is really good. So there's a plenty to choose from. So if you're into motorbikes and that like stuff like that, just good range. So there you go, guys. This is something we'll do on occasion. We'll do a spotlight on either a brand or a type of model kit for you and things like that, just to keep you informed as to what is out there. So have a great day. We'll talk again. Hopefully we'll have lots of new stuff next week. See you then. Bye.